Hi friend, I'll be showing you the basic journey from the employer side into Naukri. First, go here. It's a company profile, subscription settings. This time, log out from Naukri, log out from Rest Desk. Rest Desk means where from you can do the searching of the CVs. Now there are jobs and responses. The first thing here you can there are different types of jobs what you can post depend on the plan you have taken or your company has taken. The post classified for the internship you can put it here. Otherwise, normal posting is classified. Manage jobs and responses. If you click here, you will get all the job post you have posted already here. You can see and page wise next page wise you can go. Then, if you want to search the thing, then you can active jobs. How many active jobs are there? Then refine search. You will getting all the active search. Then closed jobs. How many jobs are closed? Because these jobs are live for normally 1 month, and certain cases it is shorter than that also. If you want to modify any job, say here, it is not possible if it is closed, but you cannot do anything here. But if it is an active job, say it is active job, then you can do certain things. Like you can mark it close, collaborate, you can share this thing on the social media, send the invite means you can send the mails to this candidates who have applied. Preview the job. You can preview the job posting. The company and the details, then how it looks like to the candidate, and they can apply from here. You can also click it here, so you can do some editing work. If you want to edit, you can edit for a certain days. You can edit. Suppose I am editing increasing number of vacancies here. Then next, 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 next. Save and continue. Last is post the job. So this way you can edit the job which is already posted in the portal. If you click it here, suppose human resource manager, and here you will get all the responses. I'm not showing who has applied, but if you want to search suppose I'm telling this one here. For some reason I'm not fine. I'm not showing the HR this thing. Posting. So if you want to brought down the number of CPs and specify the search criteria, then you can put a keyword and then search. The skill is based on the search profile, location, locality, distance from job location. There are many things. It's a very intelligent system. Salary, education, diversity, industry. But one thing is that if I will suggest if the number of applicant is very less, then do it manually and only search on the basis of the location. But what happens that many times I told earlier in my earlier videos, the candidates don't give the CVs properly. They don't make the CVs properly, so they are search engine optimized. This is the issue you have must heard in the digital marketing domain. You have heard how the people get the product or company. In CV also, it should be optimized by putting the right word, right framing of the line and the qualification experience, everything. Otherwise, the CV will not be visible by the recruiter. So here you can see the CVs are there, and accordingly you can shortlist, maybe reject, you can mark it. So the next time you need not to remember everything, but you can see. And relevant CVs you get, you can download the CVs in your hard disk. Here you can select all and you can send the mails. Not viewed, action pending, because I have not checked anything. So it is all showing as action pending and not viewed. Then if you want to edit the job, here also there is option where from I can edit the job posting, the content of this job. It is AI recommendation, like AI automatically gives some queries or search which keywords on the basis this type of CVs are coming. Out of the 24 CVs, only 7 CVs are coming. So you can understand that almost 30% or more than that, 35 for 35% CVs are going, they are not relevant on the basis of the automated thing. If you want to post a classified, here only, I have already shown you in a previous video. You can check my video how to do the job posting in Naukri.com. Race test. What is that? It is here you can search the resume. So I have already shown in a different video. You can check it how to search CVs in the Naukri website. The main thing is all the portals, all the job portals, you will get similar sort of a thing, similar sort of a keyword, but the software is the alignment and looks, the orientation is different. So you have to understand the logic behind searching of the CVs. You need to understand which keyword to give. Then only you will get CVs. But exactly same layout you will not get anywhere. Naukri, Times, Shine, Monster, your another some portals are there, new portals. And, Apna, your Jab Hai, many other portals are there. I missed out some other portals. So whatever you take, everywhere there is a difference, basic difference. Now I'll be showing you the other things. Send in white. That is, it is a mail. It is right now the option is not there. You can since the quota is not there right now. So here you can write the keywords and you will get the CVs. Then after that you can send mails. I have mentioned this thing in another video, how to send invite, send mails to in bulk to the candidates. Send the mails to the candidates this way. Next is manage searches. What is that? It is a searches the team members, you and your team members have made. If somebody has shared, then it will come here. My recent searches, it will come here. It is also very important. Suppose your junior cannot handle it alone, so you keep it search, you make the search and save it. And the person who is less experienced can just click here and get all the searches this way. Then he can keep on calling and sending mails and downloading CVs, how it works. Next is folders. There are folders made here. It's basically how we can make the folder. We can make a folder, create folder, and we can copy the CVs from normal list to this folder. So you can download the CVs at a one shot this way. The counselors CVs, and here you can download. Any downloaded in the Naukri portal, it will assume that you have downloaded for one Excel, you can download it 2 CVs. So 1:2. 2 CVs of downloading or viewing equal to 1 Excel download. So you have to be cautious while downloading the database. So this is the use of this folder. You can download the database. Bulk one by one, you can download the Word file of the CVs or PDF. This is the option. It is for searching. It is not very relevant. Then reports. Reports is job posting first. How many jobs are posted? How many are left? This is the report it will show. Here, how many reports you have generated? How many CVs were downloaded? And if you save it, it will come to your mail ID. So this is I have shown you it is a journey in the portal. If anybody is looking for the portal, then you can connect directly to the company. You can connect me also. I'll give you the number. Thank you for watching.